I want to start this video and ask two key questions. The first one being, have you ever been told you don't need an RO system? The second one, have you ever been called back to a job because the water quality, the TDS level of your DI system has accelerated back to normal tap water and left spotting on that customer's or in that commercial or residential setting? They're big questions, and I wanted to discuss the transition from a DI system, which is a large cash strain on any business, whether small or large. Water quality all around Australia does differ, and the cost of a DI bag of resin, as well as changing that resin, is a tedious task that we can all agree no one would enjoy. As well as landfill, it is an unnecessary evil where an RO system can replace the way in which you filter water. So we all know the cost of a bag of DI resin, and depending on where you are in Australia, your running costs can be as high as $20 an hour on the West Coast, and in different parts on the East Coast, Adelaide, Brisbane, Sydney, even Geelong, it can be way up there as well. So if you are spending more than $50 a week, and on the West Coast that could be a couple of hours window cleaning, on the East Coast that could be 5 to 10 hours of window cleaning, depending on your location and your local water quality, then an RO system could be the right thing for you. Multiple operators, multiple hose reels, maximum height, with the need and the concern knowing that your water quality is not going to spike. The RO filter does 95 to 98% of the work. That $48 a week under current prices can see you get into a QuattRO system, and even less for a Trion. The water quality will be stable, your ongoing maintenance costs will be minimal, and even in hard water conditions like Perth at 300 to 500 TDS can be as low as $1.50 per day. Running a QuattRO in softer water conditions on the East Coast, and this is fair dinkum, there are QuattROs running with original RO membranes in medium to large size businesses that are 10 years old. So the running costs in those locations would be less than 30 cents a day. Absolutely unbelievable. Any more information, all the pricing can be seen at ionicsystems.com.au. Our main parent company is Blue Tongue Industries. Check out all our videos on our Blue Tongue or YouTube channel, which is Blue Tongue Industries. Get yourself into an RO system. It's going to outlast you. It's going to outlast your business. The QuattRO, the biggest seller here, and I can say that with confidence in relation to portable RO systems, and globally by far. We'll see you on the next video.